Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I'll show you how you can see your Facebook password even if you've forgotten them. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to see your Facebook password even if you forgot it. So in my case, if I go ahead and simply open Facebook, let's say for example, and I'm logged into my account as you can see, but let's say that I have forgotten my password. So how do we go about finding our password if we've forgotten it? The trick is really simple, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing we will do is we will hop out of Facebook, and if you're on iOS and you have all of your data and password saved to your iCloud, in my case on my Android, all of my data is saved to my Google Drive on my cloud storage. So what I will do is I will go ahead and simply open any of the synced browser which you have, where you have synced all of your passwords, your email and so on. In my case, I have synced everywhere to my Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and open the Google Chrome browser and make sure that I'm logged into my account. After that, what I will do is right here in the search box at the very top, I will go ahead and simply type in facebook.com. For example, let me just go ahead and then type in facebook.com. You have to simply go to facebook.com and make sure that you see this kind of interface. It will take you to m.facebook.com. Over here, what you could do is you can see it says there to enter my mobile or email, but since we don't remember our password for our email address or our Facebook account, what we will do is we will simply actually tap on it. As we tap on it, at the bottom you can see we have a list of different suggestions of your account if you have saved them. Now here you want to simply go ahead and select the account of which you forgot the password of. So in my case, it was the top one right over here. I will go ahead and select that one, and as you can see, our password has actually been typed. But then in order to see our forgotten password, all you have to do is on this right hand side, you can see the show button. So all you have to do is tap on the show button. And as you do that, you'll be able to see your Facebook password. Now, if you want to check whether that is right or wrong, I will also go ahead and simply actually log into my account. As soon as you log into your account, you'll be redirected to your Facebook account page, and you can see it says login with one tap. And this is how you can see your Facebook password even if you've forgotten it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.